So here's how to redeem your PayPal gift card Freecash app. First of all, you need to open up your Freecash app. So once you're in the application, you need to wait for it to load up. Right now, for me, it is a little bit slow. So once it loads up, you need to go over to the cash out section from the bottom bar. So tap on Cash Out. Here, you'll be able to see your balance and all the ways you can withdraw cash. You can scroll through and look for the option for a PayPal gift card, but as you can see, it is not available. But you have PayPal right here. Tap on PayPal and choose whichever one that you want. After that, just tap on Withdraw and you will have your balance withdrawn to PayPal. And then you can easily use that balance to buy your PayPal gift card. So that is exactly how you can redeem your PayPal gift card through Freecash app.